Consumer Reports just published their newest reliability survey, almost 400,000 vehicles deep, and it confirms something the car industry doesn't want you to notice. Hybrids have 15% fewer problems than gas-only cars. Not comparable, fewer. While everyone's chasing the newest electric technology, the older, boring hybrid system quietly became the most dependable powertrain you can buy. And 5 specific hybrids just made Consumer Reports' new rankings for outlasting everything else on the road, gas included. Here's the twist. EVs and plug-in hybrids, the expensive tech everyone's being pushed toward, average 80% more problems than a plain gas car. The flashy stuff breaks. The tried-and-true stuff just runs. The hybrid at number 1 isn't a sports car or a status symbol. It's a family SUV so unglamorous it's become a taxi and rideshare fleet staple, driven into the ground professionally and keeps going anyway. Knowing that is worth $12,000 in repair bills and depreciation. Meanwhile, dealers are steering buyers toward plug-in hybrids and EVs with all the bells and whistles, knowing full well those systems break down at nearly double the rate of the simple hybrid parked 2 spaces over. I've spent my career as a financial watchdog for car buyers, and these 5 are the only hybrids on the market right now I'd stake my own money on. Stick around because the hybrid at number 1 has a 31% chance of running past 250,000 miles, over 3 times the average hybrid. Let's count them down. Number 5. Toyota Camry Hybrid. IC Cars gives the Camry Hybrid a 10.2% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, above the hybrid average, in a car people buy specifically to hand down or drive forever. Toyota's engineering story here is a statement, not an accident. For 2025, Toyota didn't just add a hybrid option to the Camry, it deleted every other option. No 4-cylinder, no V6. If you buy a new Camry, it's a hybrid. Full stop. That's not a marketing gimmick. That's a company betting its best-selling sedan entirely on one powertrain because the reliability data backed it up. What Toyota left out, an entire engine lineup's worth of complexity. 1 drivetrain to build, 1 drivetrain to service, 1 drivetrain with decades of data behind it. J.D. Power's most recent dependability study ranked the Camry the highest-scoring midsize car on the road. Not highest-scoring hybrid, highest-scoring car, period. Here's what dealers won't say out loud. Taxi fleets have run Camry hybrids for 15 years because they're cheaper to keep running than to replace. Insurers see a similar pattern in their own claims data. Camry hybrids just don't generate the mechanical breakdown claims that flashier mid-size sedans do. After 3 years, a Camry hybrid holds on to 76.2% of its value. You're not buying a car, you're buying equity you can drive. Number 4. Toyota Prius. A 12.2% chance of crossing 250,000 miles, 1.3 times the hybrid average, from the car that's been quietly refining the same idea for 25 years. The engineering story is almost embarrassingly simple. Toyota has had a quarter century and 5 generations to work the bugs out of the Prius's hybrid system. This isn't unproven technology. It's the most iterated powertrain in automotive history. What Toyota left out matters here too. No turbocharger, no complicated all-wheel drive hardware on the base model, just a small battery and a gas engine trading off work with each other the way they've done since the Clinton administration. Independent mechanics will tell you the same thing CarEdge's own cost data shows. The Prius is one of the cheapest vehicles in America to maintain over 10 years. Fewer trips to the shop, smaller bills when you do go. Toyota backs the hybrid battery itself for 8 years or 100,000 miles, and it's common for the original pack to outlast that coverage by a wide margin. After 3 years, a Prius holds 84.7% of its original price, one of the strongest numbers on this entire list. That's not a hybrid, that's the closest thing to a paid-off house on 4 wheels. Number 3, a Kia Sorento Hybrid. Now here's where it gets interesting. Consumer Reports didn't just call the Sorento Hybrid a reliable hybrid, they ranked it the single most reliable 3-row SUV on sale. Hybrid or gas, any brand, full stop. From Kia. Here's the detail that makes this a genuine outlast any gas car story. Instead of just a slogan, the Sorento Hybrid outperforms its own gas-powered sibling in Consumer Reports' data. Same platform, same factory, same badge. The hybrid version is simply the more dependable vehicle. Engine for engine, Kia builds it with a conventional automatic transmission paired with an integrated electric motor using components that have been running largely unchanged since 2021. Not brand new for this generation, just quietly carried forward because they work. What Kia left out matters just as much. A radical new hybrid architecture built purely to look cutting edge on a spec sheet. Instead of reinventing the transmission from scratch, they bolted proven electric motor technology onto hardware that was already dependable. That's not a marketing claim either. It's Consumer Reports' own owner survey data talking. The hybrid drivetrain simply generates fewer reported problems than the gas-only Sorento parked next to it on the lot, which is the exact opposite of what you'd expect from the more complicated version of the same vehicle. Here's the honest insider note. The Sorento Hybrid's resale numbers trail this list's Toyotas. Third-party data puts it around 64% of its value after 3 years. But that math changes completely if you're the kind of buyer this whole video is for. Someone who keeps a vehicle until it's paid for itself twice over. You're not renting depreciation. You're financing 250,000 miles of not dealing with a shop. Number 2. Lexus RX Hybrid. A 17% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, 1.8 times the hybrid average, and the second most dependable mid-size luxury SUV in J.D. Power's most recent study, beaten only by Lexus's own non-hybrid GX. The engineering story is inherited, not invented. The RX Hybrid runs the same core hybrid system as the Lexus NX, which runs Toyota's system. 3 decades of shared, cross-tested hardware wearing a nicer interior. What Lexus left out is the part that usually breaks on all-wheel drive vehicles, a rear drive shaft. Instead, a dedicated electric motor drives the rear wheels directly. Fewer mechanical connections between the engine and the pavement means fewer things to wear out. Service advisors at luxury dealerships see the pattern every day. RX Hybrids simply don't generate the comeback business that keeps the lights on in a service department. Lexus backs the hybrid components with the same battery warranty structure Toyota uses across the board, and it's common for those components to keep working well past that coverage window. After 3 years, an RX Hybrid holds on to roughly 81% of its value, far ahead of the mid-size luxury SUV average. That's a blue-chip stock with a Lexus badge on the hood. Number 1. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. A 31% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's 3.2 times the average hybrid on the road, the single strongest number of any vehicle on this list. Most shoppers don't think of the Highlander Hybrid as exciting, and that's exactly the point. This is one of the first hybrid SUVs Toyota ever built, and it's spent years being run into the ground professionally by taxi and rideshare fleets, the harshest, highest mileage stress test a vehicle can face outside of a lab. It kept passing. Consumer Reports ranked it the second most reliable 3-row SUV in their latest survey, edged out by only the Sorento Hybrid you just heard about. 2 hybrids at the very top of the entire 3-row SUV category, gas models included, and it's one of only 2 vehicles on this whole list where Consumer Reports and iSeeCars independently agree. One measuring what breaks, the other measuring how far it goes before something finally does. What Toyota left out this time? Risk. All-wheel drive became standard across the board, starting with the most recent generation, using the same drivetrain architecture Toyota has spent years validating on this exact vehicle. No unproven new hardware, no first-year guesswork. Here's what the dealers won't volunteer. After 3 years, a Highlander Hybrid still holds on to 75.8% of what you paid for it, even after carrying a family and their cargo for 3 years of real use. The kind of ownership that's supposed to punish resale value and doesn't. That's not an SUV. That's a financial fortress on wheels with a 3rd row. These 5 hybrids prove one critical truth. Outlasting a gas car was never about the flashiest new technology, and it definitely wasn't about the newest one either. It's engineered with discipline and tested obsessively, one oil change at a time. Smart money buys engineering, not branding. If you want to stop lighting money on fire with bad car purchases, hit subscribe. I'm the Auto Watchdog, and I'm tracking the reliability data the dealers wish you'd ignore. Check the pinned comment for the diagnostic scanner I use to vet every vehicle before I buy. Let me know in the comments which one of these surprised you the most.